Hey guys, welcome to Nanrobot. Today we are going to show you how to replace your light/horn button switch of your Nanrobot e-scooter. Different models have slightly different designs. Here we are using LS7 Plus as an example. Before we start, we will need a set of new light/horn button switch and an Allen key. First, disconnect the connector of the light/horn button. Now we can remove the handle grip. You may need to use your strength here. Tighten the screws at the same position with Allen key. Now, let's put a new one back on. Here we still use the Allen key to tighten the screw to ensure that it does not shake. Then we can put the handle back. Finally, we will connect the light/horn button connector according to the arrow mark on the connector. Hope this video will help you. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and we see you in the next one.